XUANLAN Emergency Survival Kit 11-in-1, Outdoor Survival Gear Tool with Survival Bracelet, Folding Knife, Compass, Emergency Blanket, Fire Starter, Whistle, Tactical Pen for camping, hiking, climbing. Perfect gift. You will find the XUANLAN Survival Gear Kit is the ultimate survival tools for camping trips, backpacking, wilderness survival, fishing, mountaineering, hunting and hiking trips. It's also perfect for what your child needs for a starter survival kit, upgrade, more safety and practical. Free gift: 5 PCS Alcohol Pad, 5 PCS Sterile Adhesive Bandage, Extra Survival Bracelet, 5-in-1 Survival Bracelet Provide. Build the second defense for your safety. High quality compass, little fire starter kit, emergency whistle. The fire scrapper can use as a knife and bracelet rope can use for emergency. Military knife, cold steel military knife, black cold steel blade, and black aluminum handle. Anti-rust, durable, compass of military grade, features 360-degree rotating bezel for easy navigation and orienteering. Thermal blankets / emergency blankets are essential for preventing hypothermia as they retain 90% of body heat. They can also be used as a signal, to make a shelter, or as an extra layer in cold weather. Flashlight with 3 modes. The SOS mode can send an SOS light message. Auto-The lighting range can be adjusted. Tactical pen, it is a functional writing implement, and also a weapon for self-defense. Fire starter made from magnesium and iron, 5,000 to 12,000 times to flint fire. Saber card knife has the most function of the Saber card and can use as a knife. With a protective case, can hide the sharp part for safety. The Saber card knife can be partly fixed into the case as the handle of the knife. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.